to my channel Shweta Makeup and Beauty, and I'm again in my balcony and it's so awesome here. Today the weather is really good, and last time when I shot in balcony for my Sugar Smudge Me Not lipstick swatch video, I really loved the experience because there were less efforts. I saved my effort of fixing up the lighting, tripod, camera and all, and plus when I shoot like this I feel more connected to you all. It's like I'm FaceTiming with you, so it's more personal. And one more thing, when I shoot in front of the lightings, so my skin tends to look more flawless and more clean, which it isn't in real life. Anyway, coming back to today's video, today I will be unboxing this Zoe bag with you all. It's not really an unboxing video because I have unboxed this before, and I'll use remaining product in front of you so that you can see how they perform. And let's see what I received in my Zoe bag.
This is what my This Man Zoe bag looks like. It's made up of jute. Now let's open this up. So these are all the products that I have received. The first product is this product. This is wrapped up in a bubble sheet. Let's remove it. It's very difficult to remove this using one hand. So this is Ayurveda Organic Hair Serum. This is worth ₹600. So your Zoe bag is worth ₹500 and you have received a single product worth ₹600. So you are already in profit. Next product is this M Caffeine Smooth Jazz Caffeine Body Butter, and this is worth ₹399 or 400. Next product is this Banjara's Pure Hibiscus Powder. So this is supposed to make your hair soft and shiny, and this is worth ₹90. Next product is this Banjara's Milk Multani Orange Face Wash. This is a soap-free face wash which is enriched with natural moisturizer and antioxidants. This is worth ₹40. Next up we have, there are many things. So we have this card with all the details about products and their prices. Oh.
It's so windy.
And plus I see that they will give 35% off if you purchase any of these products from their website. Next up we have this Veda Essence Avocado Peppermint Tea Tree Vitamin E Soap. This is worth ₹210. And then we have this Organics Niacin and Caffeine Shampoo and Conditioner Sample.
I have used their face wash and their body butter before, and I totally love them. I'll tell you more about them in few more minutes, but first let's use all the hair care products. I'll be using their hair care powder and Organics shampoo and conditioner sample and hair serum.
So let's make our hair mask. Let's just open this up. So you will receive these small sachets inside your Banjara's packet. So take out one packet. I guess this will be enough for my hair length. You will receive 5 similar sachets in a single hair mask box of Banjara's. Now empty the content of this sachet into a bowl. I don't know why I am so messy today. Now add some water and mix it until you get a nice consistency. And then apply it on your scalp and hair.
And this is how I look after applying it. I look like a lion. It has been 20 plus minutes since I have this pack on, so I'll go and take a shower. I'm not going to use shampoo and conditioner because I just read in the description of this hair pack that you have to just wash it with water, so I'm going to avoid using shampoo or conditioner. So I just jump into the shower and I'll be right back. I'm out of my shower and it's almost night time, so back to our original location. So while my hair is damp, let's apply the hair serum first because that's the best time to use hair serum. So we have this organic 100% organic Moroccan argan hair serum. So argan oil is really good for your hair, but I'll be using this serum for the first time. So it comes with a pump like this and with a clear cap. So let's just pour it. So I'm going to apply this onto the ends first, and then whatever is remaining onto my palm, I'll apply it onto the upper part of my head. I repeat the same thing on the other side. It's not sticky, but it's little oily, so you have to be very careful. You don't want to use more amount of this. I know I'm going to look really awkward in this video, but let's just move on. So I used this Banjara's hair care powder before and my bottom was a total mess, so you have to be very careful while using it, and yeah, it can be a little messy, but I just used cold water to wash the powder off my hair, and it was not that difficult to remove the mask from my hair. It's more of a DIY hair mask kind of a thing. So let's wait for my hair to dry so that I can give you more accurate, review of this product. So, and you get 5 pouches in this single box, so you can use it 5 times. So this month's theme for Zobag was head to toe paraben free products. So all the products that I have received are paraben free. This month's Zobag was especially designed for the summer, and there are 2 variants for the Zobag. One is the original size Zobag and another one is the mini version. In the original sized Zobag you will receive 5 to 6 products. 5 will be full size product and 1 will be sample size product. The regular size Zobag is worth ₹4.99 and the mini version of the Zobag is worth ₹1.99, and you will receive 3 to 4 products in your mini Zobag. Keep this M Caffeine Smooth Jazz Caffeine Body Butter, and I have used it for 2 or 3 days and it's really moisturizing. Like people tend to shy away from using body butter in the summer season, but this body butter is not so heavy on the skin. It's like this. The smell is a little strong, but it's not so heavy on the skin, so I'll just apply it here and just massage it for some time, and you will see that it just gets absorbed into the skin. It's really moisturizing, so if you like using moisturizers in the summer and if you spend more time in the air-conditioned room, you may like this product. Then we have this Veda Vitamin E soap. And honestly, I have never used soap from this brand, but it looks promising because it has all the good oil, and I may update a review for the soap on my blog. Next we have this Banjara's face wash. So this is a tan free face wash with Multani plus orange, which is a very rare combination. I have used a few of the Banjara's product before, like their orange peel powder and stuff like that for my DIY mask and all, and they make really nice awesome products. So I have a nice faith in Banjara's brand for whatever the products I have used. I have used it for 2 to 3 days for the review purpose. So let's see what it claims, and then I'll tell you what I experienced. So it claims that it removes excess oil, exfoliates dead cells, detans skin. So my skin type is normal, so I'm not sure about the excess oil part. And about the exfoliating part, it does contain exfoliating beads, but the volume is less, so I don't think it exfoliates that well. And about the detanning part, I don't think any product can work in the span of 2 to 3 days. So it will take time to show the proper result for detanning. Apart from that, it does leave my skin moisturized and hydrated, and it doesn't rip off the moisture out of my skin. And it's a budget face wash. It's only worth ₹40, so you can definitely give it a try. Next we have these samples from Organics. This is their shampoo and conditioner samples, as I've already told you, and this is for hair fall control. So if you don't want to buy the full size product, you can the sample size products are quite a steal in any bag, because you can then try the product, and then if you want to buy, you can definitely invest in the full size product. These samples may not be enough for long hair, but again, this is just an additional product in your Zoe bag. You have received 5 full-size products already. So I usually don't prefer blow drying my hair, and I feel like they're a little dry now. So I can talk about the Banjara's hair pack and the serum. I was a little worried before using Banjara's hair mask because it looked kind of henna or mehendi, and whenever I use mehendi or henna in the past, it just turned my hair very dry and frizzy. But now when I'm touching my hair, it just feels really soft and smooth like it usually do. So it may be because of the serum that they have provided me, or it may be because of the powder or whatever, but the combination is really working. I really loved both of these products, and I'm surely going to use both of them in the future as well. So yeah, let me just give you a closer look of how my hair looks like. I'll leave a link down in the description box if you want to buy your own Zoe bag. And yeah, that's it for this video. I really